Welcome to 1616 Maud Lane in the Pennybrook community in Crownsville, Maryland. Situated on over 2 acres, this 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home is filled with upgrades. Great living spaces. 2-story family room with propane fireplace opens to a large eat-in kitchen with a granite top center island and work area. Separate living and dining rooms. Main level den. Main level laundry and mudroom. Spacious owner's suite with custom luxury spa bath with custom granite vanity tops and walk-in closet. 2 generous size bedrooms share a buddy bath. Hardwood flooring. This property offers everything you could want in outdoor entertainment. Sparkling 40 by 20 granite pool features temperature control, auto cover, waterfalls, hot tub, 3,000 square feet. Off-paver patio, 19-zone irrigation system, play area, and an easy maintenance landscape. 20 kW generator. Side entry 3-car garage with shelving. Unfinished basement with rough-in and great areas for future expansion. This is an exceptional find.